What's going on, guys? Markie from the YouTube channel Online Certification Course. Here we're going to go over continuous education and embracing certifications versus hands-on experience. Comment below, let me know what you weigh in on this, and also let's find out the meaning of Andragogy when it comes to adult-focused learning. More after the intro.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's going on, guys? Back. I got a binder clip holding my filter up. I gotta go shopping. But anyway, once again, comment below as how you feel in regards to experience and also formal education. Me personally, I got a mixed feeling when it comes to that. I feel that going for the certification, it also helps you alter your life as your career path and choice instead of waiting for other people to come and educate you or get you certified. So instead of waiting around, which could take forever until you really pinpoint and hone in on what you want to do, if you already know what you really want to do as a career choice, and you just go ahead and get them certifications out there, get them up under your belt quick, and you can shop around. And like I said, you could bounce around not only in the state that you're in, you could branch out to other states to see where there's more in demand at in regards to IT, cybersecurity, PMP, project management, get your CDSs and so forth. So don't wait around for someone else to feed you that knowledge. Go get them certifications, and let's hammer on that little hands-on experience, which also I'm in favor for. Now, for the hands-on experience, even though someone goes for a certification course and they just get a little healthy hands-on, but not an outrageous real life experience. So but they have the certification in hand that they attest that they have their knowledge. So for someone out there that has hands-on experience through the years and so forth, they may go to a company. I'm not certified, but I have 5, 7, 10 years experience in this field of work. Now, would that hiring manager will say, well, you need to be certified? Or will a light bulb go off in his head and say, hey, instead of paying them $27 an hour, I could knock it down to $25, $24, and he may bite because you're not certified. Since you're not certified, we can't pay you the top dollar, but we could give you a couple dollars less. Are you on board or not? So the hands-on experience guy will say, yeah, I'll take that on. Keep in mind the plus side. There's a plus side to this, gentlemen, ladies. You could get hired. Experience, hands-on experience through the years, so forth, not certified. They're going to teach you additional stuff that you need to learn or you might not know and so forth. So that's a personal gain for you. Get all that under your belt, and hopefully somewhere down the line you say, you know what, let me get certified in this field of work since I already know a great deal of it, and start getting paid those top dollars. So I have mixed feelings between hands-on experience or real life experience versus getting a certification but without the experience, if that all makes sense to everybody out there, right? So to the flip side of it, you come in with your certification in hand. Hey, I'm certified to do X, Y, Z. So the hiring manager is going to say, okay, we got someone certified. We'll pay him the top dollar because he knows his worth. Can't cheat him, can't short him. We're paying you your $30 an hour. Let's get you to work because you're going to be up to speed. You're going to hit the ground running because you're certified. All right? So they lined you up with work. Now you sitting there and you starting to build, put stuff together and so forth. And you're like, I read about this, I know how to do, but how do you get this piece into there? I know how to make it work, but how do you get the piece in? The hiring manager, you're certified, you should know this. Well, I do know it, but I don't have the real life experience in doing so. So now it's going to take some time for his manager, his supervisor, and so forth, sit with him and show him how things work, how to put it together to make it work. You know how it works. You don't know how to put it together. That's a lot of cases. So someone with hands-on experience may come in and say, yeah, I understand this. I've done this before, and put it together. Not certified to do so. Gets the job done versus someone being certified and you still got to sit and watch over him as he do what he needs to do. So like I said, once again, mixed feelings about it all. Comment below as to what you weigh in on this. Let's get into this word, Andragogy. Right? Andragogy. Adult focusing in learning. I said it right the first time. Andragogy. Stay tuned. Andragogy is a term that refers to how professionals learn, and is quite different from the method directed at children and young adults. Malcolm Knowles developed the 6 principles of adult-focused learning, and right now I'm going to share with you 4. First, adults must know why something is important, both to them and to the company requesting that they learn it, before they could buy in and support it. Without a reciprocal and meaningful benefit, the effort won't be there. Second is a base level of experience. Formal education is most effective when the information adds on to existing knowledge, as opposed to being completely foreign. Third is self-concept. This is the idea that adults learn best when they are accountable for their education. If an adult doesn't take it seriously and fail, he or she is the biggest loser. And of course, the opposite is true if the adults achieve success. The 4th principle, readiness. It's how immediately applicable newly learned information is. Solving problems at work using information recently gained is a big motivator for learning new skills. So, for the formal education, it's good if you want to learn a new skill straight out the gate. Go with the formal education, and also it could be from a forklift operator to managing a high-profile project. And also for on-hand experience, it gives room for error, but is less billable time in regards to managers or supervisors. If you get stuck, hands-on experience, you're stuck on something, they come and give you the concept of it, you say, okay, here we go. Versus someone that got a certificate and they get stuck, and literally you have to go through the process with them, which takes much longer. And so some people may agree or disagree. That me personally, I think people who have a lot of work experience in a certain field of work or whatever, is less teaching or mentoring them, because they can freestyle with it, and they get the concept much quicker, and they put it all together much quicker, in my opinion. Also, once again, you're going through a certification course and you're just getting that training, just doing a lot of reading, and you do get some hands-on training, but not very in-depth until you get out into that field of work. And also, you got to remember, when you get hired, you got your certifications, you get hired because of your certifications, you get on the job site, and you got the supervisor or the manager. They say, hey, I see you that you're certified in this, and that. Throw that education out the window. We're going to show you the right way to do it, or the proper way to do it, productive way to do it. So I feel on-hand experience, on-job training experience, and so forth is more clean cut, is more direct. XYZ, ABC, this is how you do it. Versus someone that has a certification in it, they may question a lot. Well, my courses say I should do it this way because of that's how it should be done. So versus on-the-job training, they know how it's more direct. Many thanks for putting up with me for about 5-6 minutes over here, but I'm gonna leave some links down below. One's gonna be the Andragogy theory by Malcolm Knowles. Go ahead and check that out. Also, I'm gonna leave a couple links in regards to online courses. You can click on the links, open them up, go ahead and search for any type of certification course you're looking for, and you'll be rocking and rolling. Many thanks once again. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Done, and once you do that, I go ahead and reply back to you. Any questions, just whisper at me. Check me out on Facebook, Markie Williams. Also got an online certification course over there as well. Many thanks once again. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.